Hi guys, for today's video, we have mukbang for lanzones. Fresh pick from our backyard here. So we have so many lanzones trees here, so I will show you later. And this is what we got. So fresh from the backyard, fresh picks, fresh fruits, available in our provinces here in the Philippines. Wow. This cost around, sometimes it goes to 100 pesos and then sometimes it goes to 55 pesos or like $2 or $1 per kilo. It depends upon the season and upon if it has so many lanzones and the kuan, so the mag-English. So I'm meeting with my grannies here. They're there and they are camera shy. Hello YouTube, what's up there? Hello. That's my grandpa. Magbisaya ta oy mo ta kung lulo guys, mga kung lula na dire. Yung mga unta no?
Ay ita.
There.
Ino gakak dinalo.
Come pick. Pick yours, get yours.
Dinalo. May kanya-kanya ka to bago na. Dinalo na.
Wow, fresh picks guys. English na pa nagsasaway kay para makasabot sa uban na tong viewers ba. And then, if you are watching in my Facebook page, please like and follow. Pakita mo. Dara, oh. This is my granny is camera shy. Good morning. It's early morning here, like 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. bro. Okay, yeah, it's 8 a.m. Wow. Can we finish this all? Mahurot kaya na to ni guys. Maubos ba natin to?
That is lula de ini mo, mas. Arok mali pa eh. Apa?
So sweet, so good.
Tanda isa-isang kilo. Sa highway. Dapat timbang sila kahapon sa. San? Dali usa kariyat, dali ragod. No. Ibuta usa ng kariyat. San?
Let me show you guys what's inside. This. Come here. We have a neighbor coming over. Let's go. Come eat. We are in the video. Come here.
Lingko niya. Ako ang tanong. Pinakita mo ato. Lingko niya ba?
Eat. Kaon.
Paibog ka na, oy.
This is on YouTube and Facebook.
Mas, kwa ako.
Camera shy.
Tambi sige no.
Yeah, come.
Eat with us. Siya may nanguha ni. Sa diin ni panguha. Kaon po lamang mi. Kaon na. Taos mas. Oh, hagad katawag sa diin ni. Nagdanga ko no buwas.
Our neighbors coming over here to eat with us.
Dito mo ganyan panguha dito speaker.
Dito Mars. Dito ka. Ito.
Didadaan mi. Matay kalipay hinuna mo.
Ay dagan ta mo ko ani ni.
Ay bahala oy.
We are actually here in Cebu guys, so we speak Cebuano.
Kaya total kakaon po ta. Baha. Kung sa diin kaning mas, kaon po lamang ni.
Wow. Wow, just look at that.
Kanang dagko san?
So sweet.
Nailiso.
Ano ko busog ko?
Nailiso. Manigamay.
There's a lanzones over here, bro.
Dali mo diri ay!
Yeah, that's how
Dali na!
we care about people, guys. We share our food. We share our blessings.
Lanzones.
Yeah, of
Wala na
lanzones. From the nature in our backyard.
Lanzones.
Ta, gidadaan ning mas-mas.
That's our culture here. We
Dito
keep
sila,
on
ha?
sharing.
Ang sarap.
If you don't know how to share, then you're not a Filipino.
Ito. Ito.
Binuang.
You're not a full-blooded Filipino. If you don't know how to share. So we keep on sharing.
Asa na junior ka to?
And this is my brother here, my cousin brother. There.
Kung na unya may tubig kanang kwarta unya dan dako na kay nagdana na.
Sabak.
Okay, let's finish this all.
Sabak.
Ato ning hotdog, guys. Ubusin natin to lahat.
It's very cute.
This is my dog, Chopper. Uy, klaro ni mo.
Aki mo palalab to ana? Ano ba rin nakadautan ba yan?
Oh, this is my cousin brother, John Rick. Hello, YouTube. Ano, John? Hello, YouTube.
Shout out.
Hello, Facebook.
Kanang pungpong dada. Kay galakaw ka.
Lo. Wala ka na dito eh.
Inay, mula sa skulahan.
Inay.
Inay. Inay, lamang.
Let's go, let's go. There's so many.
Eskwela pa ba niya karon?
Kapidaghan, guys. Marami pa. Alin na pagkuhan na dali. There's a camera shy bro, so I have to give him.
Kaon.
Get bro, get bro. Get more, get more.
Ayaw na kay...
O na, mani pamahaw na mo san. Wala man may
Parehas na,
pamahaw.
parehas na.
Lagyan may pamahaw.
Wow, this is so good. So nice. Wow. We eat this for free. In the Lungsod, we buy this.
Mani among breakfast.
Lo.
Nagawas na.
Oh.
Nagawas na kakaubahan.
Wow. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing, for the fruit.
Asnus apa ni us kakao pa to usa. Kuha man tanan. Wala na dito man.
In the Lungsod, we buy this, but in our home, we just pick this in the tree.
Say-sayo ning gikuha dyan.
You know, it's sweet when it looks like this.
Abject
So shiny.
Dad anjon bit kalipay.
Wow.
Ayo kay ni bata. Natulog ko no kabut-buto ko. Babuto.
Ay, sagpon mo. Alam, mama, oy, klaro mo, oy.
Di abrihan na ko.
Nasib na oh.
So I think that's all for today, guys.
Na-chat ba ya siya nga.
I think that's all for today. Bye-bye and see you in my next video. Happy mukbang with you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Dali na
Bye.
ko dai.
So I'm gonna show you guys where we got this lanzones. That's the lanzones tree. There. Can you see it, guys? That's the lanzones tree. If you can see some fruits there. There. That is the lanzones tree. So that's all for today. See you again in my next video. Bye.